Hello. Today I execute on my plan from last week. Last week from my video, I already made like a plan for a potential potential long on JP 225. As you can see, that the price created trend with higher high and higher low trend. And here it's easy to see the trend on JP Nikkei. On Nikkei, on Nikkei is uptrend. See, up, pulls back, break, and pulls back again. So I assuming right here is the level that the price can bouncing from to create its to continues to the trend will bounce to continue its trend. So here, right here is my area of interest. Okay. So on when I looked on the chart, and I can easily see that on daily on in 4 hour, the price is created some sort of bearish structure here. After this break of structure, after this that break of structure, the price obviously on a downtrend. So here, after this, the price is create a downtrend right after this broke of structure. And I have to admit that I took a few losses. I took a few losses right here, and one as a long trade because I failed to realize that this is from here is that up it's after this it after this break of structure, the trend become downtrend, or at least that potential downtrend on 4 hour. And I took one losses right here as I might attempt to long it sorry to short after the price broke this level. And obviously uh, I lost that trade. And the reason is I've also failed to realize that this is the area of interest to go long on daily. So with that being said, I took a few losses, and I expect to have a long trade from this area of interest on daily time frame. And yeah, I waiting for the price to obviously um not obviously but technically, if I want to go long on daily time frame, that I I have to wait for the price to broke this area of interest. No, sorry, this level, not this broken. I have to wait for the price to broke this to sorry to break this level, and then my entry has to be right here, and my target probably there, and my stop loss will be there. But because the because of this, then I will have a negative risk and reward ratio, which is something I don't want to have. I don't want to have on my trading strategy. So I do what I normally do, that is, I anticipate that the price might go up from here, and you can see that on 4 hour the price is say bounced strongly from this area of interest, you know. It's as I assuming I anticipated it create a double bottom right here, and it does. And then, sorry, not it does, but I assume that it's create a double bottom right here, and yeah, and it show me is that it bounced from here. So I get into the trade when the price broke this level, right? And I enter when the price broke this level, and recently it's floating positive. So this is my trade on JP on Nikkei or Nikkei, I guess it's Nikkei, and hope for the best. Hoping that it's reach here and it's broke, and maybe it's create a much give me a much higher risk reward ratio, um higher risk reward ratio. And right now my entry is there, and my first TP is there, so it's 2R, right? But I will move move stop to break even when the price is reaching this area, because once it's reaching this area, there's seller up here, and I have to admit that I s- I am fear of losing the trade, because recently I lost quite a few, and I am in 3% drawdown, which is quite dramatic for me. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically what I wanted to say. Mm, Go, on the other hand, is reaching this top of the range, which is I will not do any trade. And then if one is broke, then we have the potential. It has the potential to go here to this 4H level, maybe higher than this daily level, but we have to wait. Right now it's in the range. Maybe I can sell short up here, but um I often not do it. I off I am not often. I am I will not I will not do it. Right? And NAS, same view with um same view with same view with Nikkei. The price is bouncing greatly from here, showing that the great with strong force of buyer down here. And yeah, right here I I look on daily, that is potential for long, but on 4H, which now the trend is the downtrend. So I have to wait for the price. Either it's broke this level or it's create a double bottom right here, somehow like this. And I can anticipate somehow to go long up here. But right now it's still bearish. Don't showing any level of bullish on daily. It's still bearish. So maybe you can have a short now here somehow. But it's still on the downtrend on Nasdaq. So basically, that's pretty much everything I want to say. Peace out.